My friend asked me for a kazoo that can be attached to a keychain to keep on themselves at all time. Something beautiful made from wood, maybe some leather and brass. I'm not an insecure person, mind you, but something about that request, that desire to strut around town with such an item on them at all times made me feel just a little normal, you know? Like my orthodoxy hit a whole new level. And so, with my newly developed inferiority complex, I present to you making a needlessly complicated kazoo. Okay, so that method right there of putting it in a chuck to turn it kind of off center is not something I see all that often with woodworking, but I think it's really practical and it's used all the time for metalworking, like machining. So yeah, so that worked quite well. Pretty nice. So now I'm going to split this down the middle and empty out the center, probably with router bits. So I can kind of go here. So when you're installing the diaphragm, you want to put it inside here and to make sure that there is no gaps whatsoever for the air to go through. because this is really just here to vibrate, to modify the sound. So once it's in there correctly, you just put the top here. And the nail in here is actually so you can pull it out. Well, this does look alright. The wood gives it a little bit of a fancy feel and the finish is quite nice. But I'm no simpleton, no. What this box needs is a finely cut inlay made of high quality supple leather, stitched together with a soft golden thread that reflects the finely tuned brass tip, polished to a shine to give it a sturdy yet pleasing look. It needs a decorative pull for easy diaphragm change that accents the wood with its prestigious golden shine. A box that holds a card from the artist herself, typed on a vintage handwriter and signed with her unique and possibly childlike handwriting, all pulled eloquently together in a manner that says to the world, I am a sophisticated man. A beautiful, handsome, sophisticated man. Well guys, thanks for watching. In all seriousness, these are really fun to make and they're really fun to use. I really do recommend making them. And guys, please feel free to leave comments, it's really appreciated. So you guys are probably wondering what these sound like. And honestly, I have no idea how to play. And I also don't really know what the Star Wars tunes sound like. Why, thank you. I have been practicing.